Alright, lesson 9. Well, it's not really a lesson, it's kind of just a how-to, basically. It's kind of just like a fucking tutorial, right? So, now you understand the basics of trading, right? You understand simple technical analysis concepts. You understand simple methods to trade, right? You understand support and resistance. You understand break and retest, trend lines, Fibonacci, all of the basic shit that you can use to develop your first strategy. You understand time frames. You understand, and again, you want to use a simple strategy to trade as a beginner. You want to use a simple, easy strategy on the higher time frames to trade as a beginner, because if you go straight into something really complex, then you're going to just end up losing more. Your emotions are going to overtake you. You're going to lose lots of trades, and you're going to just get fed up and end up quit trading, right? So that's why that's basically the main idea of why I made this course, is because I want to help out beginner traders get introduced into the market in an easier way, rather than going straight into some bullshit, right? So what you want to do is you want to open up a new tab on Google, and you want to type in Metatrader 5. All right, so download Metatrader 5, open it up, or well, open up the website and download it for whatever you're on, whether you're on a Mac or Windows or whatever you want, right? Just download Metatrader 5. You can download it from the Play Store if you're on a phone as well. So download Metatrader 5. Sign up, make an account, right? I can't tell you much more than that, other than just make an account, right? Now you can also trade on Metatrader 4 if you want, but Metatrader 5 is a newer one, and there's more stuff to do with it, right? So Metatrader 5 is probably the one you want, right? So once you've downloaded Metatrader 5 and you've downloaded the app and you have an account and you have it all set up and everything, again, if you have any problems with this, just message me. But once you've downloaded Metatrader 5, you want to search for something else called position size calculator. Search this exactly, position size calculator download, okay? So position size calculator for Metatrader, earnforex.com. You want to search exactly this, and then click on the first one that's done by earnforex.com. Open that up, and you're going to see this page, all right? And you want to scroll down past all of this shit. You want to scroll down all the way, keep scrolling, and you're going to see something. Wait, here, once you come down to the place where it says downloads, you're going to see this like yellow box and these green writing and shit. So you want to download it for Metatrader 5. You want to click it, download it, right? No, I'm not going to download it because I already have it, but you want to download it, right? And it has it shows you, this whole page shows you what it does, right? So this is the next thing. You want to download it for Metatrader 5. So then open up. Well, you can do it for Metatrader 4 as well. They're both pretty much the same. So open up Metatrader 5 or Metatrader 4. Once you go into this, what you want to do is, over on the left here in your navigator, you can open your navigator by hovering over view and then clicking navigator, right? And you want to drag it over to the left. So once you've opened up navigator, by the way, this is just a demo account where I was just testing shit out. So don't worry about the balance or anything. It's not a real account. It's a demo account that I was testing stuff out on. So after you've opened up Metatrader, you have downloaded position size calculator, and you have it on your computer. Then you want to put it into Metatrader 5. Now I can't do this again because I already have it on both Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5. If you want, you can look up a quick YouTube tutorial or something on how to put it in to Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. But it's fairly straightforward. You just want to drag the file into Metatrader, right? It couldn't really be simpler. Just drag it into Metatrader. And once you've done that, it'll be over here in Navigator. Open up Navigator. And then come down or click on Indicators, right? And then scroll down till you see Position Size Calculator. Hit the plus on this till it turns to a minus. Click Position Size Calculator and click and drag it on do your chart. This will pop up. Press OK. There you go. Now you have your position size calculator. Now I'll run through what this position size calculator is quickly, how to use it. You're only ever really going to want to use this main option here. So quickly I'll run through the different types of orders that you can do, right? This is kind of important. I think I forgot to go through this recently, but once you have this open, you can click instant to turn from instant to pending. All right. So what instant means is if I open up a chart here, for example, if I open up a chart, for example, if I go to like your yen or whatever. So what is an instant trade? As you can see on over here, what is an instant trade, right? So an instant trade basically means, oh shit, I think I just opened Metatrader 5, but an instant trade on Metatrader or on position size calculator means if price is here, you click instant, you would basically sell here, right? And this would be your stop loss, your take profit. That would be your entry, right? This is where you would actually buy or sell in the market, right? You would short or buy in the market. Short is you want the price to go down, a buy is you want the price to go up. You should know that by now. So that's what an instant trade is. And what a pending trade is for example, if you are maybe a break and retest trader and you see there's a point of interest, oh shit, down here, what a pending order is you would place your little tool here, the tool over here, to check what it is. Actually, I should have went through this in a recent video, but I'll go through it quickly. Basically, to see where you want to buy and sell, you open up this over here. It'll have this little icon, the second from the arrow or the emoji thing, long and short position. So a long position is basically you press that down, you can adjust what price your stop loss is going to be, and your stop loss is just once you're in a trade, if price goes down to your stop loss, it will take, oh shit, my book just fell, it will take you out of the trade. So once price hits your stop loss, you want to place it wherever you want at a safe spot. Once price comes down and hits your stop loss, you'll be out of the trade. So it'll come up, it'll tap you in, you'll be in the trade right here on this line, you'll be in the trade. So you went for a long, it goes up, whatever, and if price comes down and hits your stop loss, it will take you out of the trade. So you will it'll prevent you from losing more money. That's why it's a stop loss. And then your take profit is just where it will automatically close you out of the trade if you're in profit. So if price did come up here, once it reached here, you'll be out of the trade with your profit, right? So that's just that's pretty much what it is. So if you're buying, you want to hit long tool, right? And I don't know, say for, I don't know, your stop loss could be here. This is just hypothetical, and your TP is up here or something, right? So say you place this trade, right? If you want, hypothetically, your stop loss is here, where it will take you out of the trade if it comes down, so you prevent you from losing more money. And this is your take profit up here, which means it will take you out with profit. You want to double click this, okay, and you want to double click it. You will have entry price, profit level, stop level. So this is where you want to copy and paste. So your entry price, okay, for example, you want to hover over this, Control C, right, copy it, and then with a pending order, place your entry here, copy and paste. Okay, well, I'm on the wrong one here, but I'm on a different pair. But for example, place your entry there, right, go back to the chart, copy and paste your profit level, all right, and take profit, and then copy your stop level and put your stop loss here. So what this means is when the candles, when price comes down to the price of 141,145, which is down here, once price comes down here, you will buy some Euro JPY. You will buy and you want the price to go up. So you've bought, hoping price will go up. Okay, which is likely since we are in an uptrend. So you've bought here and whatever, it can do whatever. And if price does come up here, you will hit take profit and you will make money, right? Because your take profit is up here and it will automatically get you out of the trade once you make profit. Or if you're unlucky and the trade comes down and it takes you out at your stop loss, if the candles come down to this bottom grey line, it will take you out of the trade. So it'll take you out of the trade and it'll prevent you from losing more money, because for example, it can go all the way down here and you could have lost way more, but the stop loss is protecting you from losing more. So that's how to use a pending order, right? You want to copy your entry, paste it in here, copy your stop loss, paste it in here, copy your take profit, paste it in here, okay? And then to actually place this trade, you're going to scroll down to expert advisors, click this open and double click PSC trader. So double click it and you will have, I'll double click it for example. All right, well, it's not working on this demo account because it's some different demo account, but you want to double click PSC trader and what will pop up here is an order. So that'll just say your order. So that means the price hasn't come down to that area yet. It hasn't come down here yet. So you're still waiting on it to come down there. And if it's above this balance line, you'll be in the trade. So price will be, you know, you'll be in the trade, right? So once it hits this middle line, you're in the trade. Once it hits this bottom line, you're out of the trade with a loss. Once it hits this line, you're out of the trade with profit, right? So that's what it means. That's how to actually buy and sell. A lot of people don't explain that. I almost forgot to explain it, but it's important if you're a beginner, right? You need to know how to actually buy and sell. So this tool here, long, short, that's what you want. Pretty much. So yeah, that's it basically. That's how you actually place a trade. That's how you actually make a trade. So yeah, that's it. That's Meta. You want to download Metatrader, download position size calculator, implement position size calculator into Metatrader. Then once you have an order, say you want to buy here, get your tool, place it here, right? Place your stop loss where you want, place your take profit where you'll make money here, wherever you want. When price comes down, taps you in, you'll make money if it goes up, and it will take you out of the trade at this grey line, and if it goes down, it'll take you out of the trade at this bottom line. That's it. That's how you actually take a trade. That's how you use a trade easily, or that's how you use position size calculator easily, and how you actually take a trade.